Our Swamiji, with the guidance of Param Pujya Sadguru Sri Dev Prasad Das Ji Swamiji, we all Swamijis as well as staff members, teachers, and they are trying to develop students not only academically or not only spiritually, but academically, socially, spiritually, and in the sports also. So here in Hyderabad Gurukul, 700 students are studying and 500 as a day scholar. So total 1200 students are studying. So in the hostel, those who are staying, they are having a CBSE central syllabus as well as they are from grade 6 to 12. And those who are coming as a day scholar, they are having state syllabus as well as from class 1 to 12. Along with all these education facilities, Gurukul is also organizing and doing many social activities and social services also. The time of in 2001 when earthquake took place in Gujarat, Kutch, so in different 55 villages, the school 55 villages, schools are constructed by Gurukul and hand over to the government. When 2004 tsunami took place, so even in Machilipatnam, Garal Diba and Chilkal Dindi village, we have constructed 2 schools and we have hand over to the government. So whenever any such natural calamity or disaster take place, either earthquake or drought or tsunami, so Gurukul is always ready to serve and to help to the society and needy people. The successful story of Gurukul or achievement of the Gurukul is that Gurukul students, once they are studied here, so never they forget their parents. Throughout the whole life they will be at the obedience and as well as at the feet of their parents. One more thing is this Hyderabad Gurukul is established in 1995. So since 15 years, more than 3000 students have studied, and today more than 150 students are studying and pursuing their higher education out of the India. Out of them, around 60 students are there in Australia, 25 students are there in USA, 20 students are in UK and Russia, as well as China, Singapore, Malaysia. All different countries they are studying, and they are not only the pursuing higher education, but along with higher education they are also continuing and protecting the values and sanskar what they have learned from Gurukul and Swamijis. Even there, after going there also, they are not even touching as well as drinking wine or not eating milk, and they are trying to themselves eat their own food and they are protecting the Indian culture. We have very good feedback from the parents and as well as from well wishers, because as you know, according to current scenario, due to this all media and western culture, day by day the students or new generation is getting away from Indian culture and our moral values and ethics. So once student have studied in Gurukul, so whole life he will be at the feet of their parents. Study health wise, as you are asking, so health wise students have 5 times in a day they are taking food, and very nutritious food they are taking, and they have full complete fitness for the any kind of game or any kind of bearing the cold or heat. In the month of February, according to Indian culture, we have Maghasnan. So morning with very cold water they take bath and they make themselves physically fit. So in their life, whenever it is required to bear such cold or heat, they will be ready to suffer and they will be ready to face that challenge in the world.